Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Calendly for AI scheduling automations, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Calendly for AI scheduling automations, start by visiting the Calendly website. Log into your Calendly account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on your profile picture to open the account settings menu. In the Settings menu, locate and select the Integrations tab. Scroll down to find the API and Webhooks section. Click on the option to create a new API key. Enter a descriptive name for your API key. After naming your API key, click on the Generate Key button. Your new API key will appear on the screen. Copy this API key for use in your automation process. Next, open the automation tool you intend to use with Calendly. In the automation tool, look for the integration settings. Select the option to add a new integration. Choose Calendly from the list of available integrations. You will be prompted to enter your Calendly API key. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the designated field. Follow any additional prompts specific to the automation tool. Once all fields are filled correctly, save your settings. Test the connection to ensure the integration is working properly. If the test is successful, you can start creating your AI scheduling automations. Now, explore the functionalities you can leverage with the integration. This completes the authentication process with Calendly for AI scheduling automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.